Hey guys, my name is Elijah, and in this tutorial I will show you how to contact customer support on Revolut. So this is very simple. Just open up Revolut and use your fingerprint or your PIN to sign in. Then simply go over to your profile picture right here and click on help right here. Now choose with which one do you want help. So let's say with cards, and I have issue with my card. Then choose let's say this one and scroll down until you see I need more help down here, and click on chat with us. And here you can chat with the support. As you can see, it is 24/7, so it will answer all of your questions. Thank you guys for watching. If this video was helpful to you, consider subscribing and liking this video, and I will see you in the next tutorial. Bye bye.